Mixed Movie Date and Tippy! Grabe!
Yes,
Madami ang nagulat nung nag-post ang photo mo, nag-post ka ng photo mo with a phenomenal love team na sina Alden at Maine. Grabe!
Actually, ako din nagulat ako kasi sabi ko, totoo ba? Mag-interview tayo sa vlogcon nila. Pero you know what, pagdating doon, punong-puno yung restaurant kung nasan kami. Pero napakabait pa rin ng dalawa. Nakailang interviews na sila, but they were still very gracious with the interview. At talagang na-excite ako para panoorin yung movie nila. Guys, welcome ang lahat dito sa Mix, and we are lucky na dito tayo nagtatrabaho because there's no such thing as network wars at all. And I'm glad because at the same time, marami rin tayong nakikilalang artists in and out of these walls. Diba kahit dito sa Mix Studio?
Hindi lang sa movie date, pati in general, yung mga music videos ng kahit sinong artist, welcome na welcome yan dito sa Mix. And of course, eto na nga guys, Mixclusive na Mixclusive ay na-interview ni Tippy sina Maine and Alden.
Nakadaupang palad ko sila, guys, and I was more than excited to be able to take a wacky selfie with them. Diba? But first, nakausap ko muna ang kanilang director, na si Direk Mike. Watch this. Hi guys, I'm VJ Tippy at nandito tayo para sa vlogcon ng pelikulang Imagine You and Me kung saan starring si Alden Richards and Maine Mendoza. At mamaya, may interview natin ng stars na si Alden at si Maine and of course the director, Direk Mike Toviera. Hi guys, welcome to our Mixclusive interview with the one and only director of Imagine You and Me, Direk Mike Toviera. Hello, Direk.
Hi, Tippy.
Grabe, ang saya-saya po namin nakasama kami dito sa press con ninyo. But everyone's excited for this movie, especially the Aldab fans.
Yeah.
Did they live up to your expectations once you got to Italy po, shooting them?
Yes, well, to be honest, mataas yung expectation ko syempre kay Alden at kay Maine,
Yes,
di ba? Because there's such a, yun ang tawag sa kanila, the phenomenal love team. Alden, already, I knew he was a very good actor already, having seen his previous work, his movies. But he still surprised me kung gaano siya kagaling, kung gaano siya ka-sensitive, kung gaano siya ka-serious sa trabaho niya.
Yes.
With Maine, this is her first starring role, and she also surprised me. Parang she has a maturity beyond her years. And also very, very hardworking, perfectionist siya sa trabaho niya.
Yes.
So yes, absolutely, they met and even exceeded my expectations nung nagtrabaho na kami sa Italy.
Earlier po, she was talking about being more mature in this movie, and as you said, Alden has already shown his skills in the
Yes.
past movies before. But would you say po na tinulungan din po ni Alden si Maine to come out of her shell in this movie?
Absolutely. I think they did that for each other. Kasi
Yes.
si Maine, she had very, very little confidence in herself. And Alden was the more experienced one. So si Alden is the one who would guide her, especially through the more difficult scenes.
Opo.
With Alden naman, feeling niya kasi in the beginning, parang hindi siya nakatono. Parang hinahanap niya yung frequency ng work
Hinahanap
niya.
niya yung tamang
Parang tamang
personality
mixture lang.
for the role.
And I honestly believe, yun naman, parang natulungan naman siya ni Maine with that. Kasi I think, especially with a love team, you really have to play off of each other.
Yes.
You know? So hindi pwedeng yung isa, sobrang nakatono, yung isa naman parang walang gana. They both have to work together at it.
ano po dapat ang pakakaabangan ng hindi lang mga Aldab fans, pero lahat ng mga Filipino moviegoers in Imagine You and Me?
I think what we really try to do with Imagine You and Me is just to make a good love story. You know, this is not just for Aldab fans. This is for non-Aldab fans also. This is for everyone. Everyone who believes in love. You know, so I hope you find something that you love in the movie. And because we made this for you guys.
And that was Tippy's interview with Direk Mike Toviera na I heard is a big fan of yours daw, Tippy.
Actually, hindi ko in-expect.
Obo ng her.
Hindi, akala ko, hello po, Direk. Sabi niya, you're ano, that song, Dati. Di ba may two versions yan? Yung Christmas, tsaka yung ano.
Oo,
Tapos
alam niya.
nagkausap kami sa Facebook. Sabi niya, I hope you watch the movie. Sorry, I was fanboying. Ganun. Sabi ko, nakakahiya naman po ako yung naiiyak.
Fanboy si Direk.
Pero nag-message pa siya. So, sobrang bait ng mga nakilala ko nung araw na yon. And after that nga, ay na-interview ko na sina Alden at Maine. Ito na, guys! Hello guys! Welcome to the Mixclusive interview with the phenomenal stars of Imagine You and Me, Mr. Alden Richards and the gorgeous Miss Maine Mendoza. Para maiba, asan yung gorgeous? Hello guys! Kamusta naman kayo?
Okay naman.
Okay naman.
Very excited and happy for the movie.
Yep. Sure ako busy kayo, pero simulan natin sa first question. How was it shooting the movie abroad in such a romantic place, diba? Nasa Italy kayo.
Siyempre, very happy kami kasi nabigyan kami ng chance para mag-shoot sa, tulad nga na sabi mo, so romantic place sa Italy pa. And yung experience namin sobrang saya talaga and worth it lahat.
And kasi the movie was meant to be shot in Italy. It would be of no sense kung sa ibang location siya shoot. So sabay-sabay tayong na in love sa ganda ng Italy as we watch it.
Guys, tell us about the roles that you play individually.
Well, ako kasi si Gara Malinaw, and siya, isa siyang very optimist na babae, and she believes in true love, and in right timing, and hopeless romantic kasi siya. So, alam mo naman yan, girls. So, in hopeless romantic si Gara, doon tayo mag-focus sa pagka-hopeless romantic niya.
Yeah. Well, I played the part of Andrew. He's basically a man that was in love. Tapos, something happened, consumed him, became a sad man, until he met Gara.
The person that will change everything. Pero may iba naman muna tayo. Main, ang kantang Imagine You and Me na sinulat mo daw, ngayon may music video na.
Siyempre, very surreal. Unang-una sa lahat, hindi ko inaakalang magkakaroon ako ng sarili kong kanta. Pero siyempre, happy ako. Happy ako na bigyan ako ng chance and opportunity para makapagsulat ng kanta.
Alden, ikaw naman, for a time din, sunod-sunod every week nagtatop yung music video mo sa Mix. Anong feeling mo na kaming mga VJs, alam na namin, ito na rin yung susunod na kanta?
Bakit?
Ay, narinig ko yung kanina.
Bakit? Well, thank you. Thank you to Mix for parang giving us a chance to showcase the music videos of our songs in the channel. So,
Most memorable experience nyo during the shoot?
Siguro yung mga off-cam. Off-cam
Ay,
moments namin.
okay. Ano yung mga moments?
Technical lesson habang nagsushoot.
yeah.
Sikat na lang!
Pero may kiligin din naman, sobrang daming naghihintay ng interview na ito. Ano yung mga off-screen moments nyo na pwede nyong i-share sa amin?
Nagbabatuhan kami ng mga salami, mga ganun.
Oo, tapos lumalabas kami ng Miss
Sounds
Oras.
romantic,
Miss
ah.
Oras.
Babatuan ng salami.
Ng salami.
Humihiga sa kalsada.
Hoy! Dali!
Nicholas Sparks. Very Nicholas Sparks.
Ayan, so, basta,
Madami.
this Italy trip, parang we needed it. For us, well, for the movie, but mostly for us, it's for
To get
re-energize and to talk, really talk.
To bond.
Yes.
Main, meron bang pressure for you since you won last MMFF's Best Supporting Actress? Pero nag-mature ka, sabi mo. Ano yung pakiramdam ngayon na mailalabas mo tong movie na to after that win na Best Supporting Actress?
Yan na naman. Ako hindi ko talaga alam kung bakit. Honestly, hindi ko alam. Bakit ba? Ano ba ginawa ko? Kumaway lang naman ako.
Ikaw yung karapat-dapat.
Hindi. Pero ayun, kasi iba na yung ngayon eh. Iba na yung role ko dito. Sobrang nag-level up na. So dito talagang medyo nag-struggle talaga ako dito kasi ang hirap eh. Pero sana nagawa ko naman siya. Ewan ko, kayo na, you be the judge kung nagawa ko siya. Pero definitely nag-level up na siya dun sa Bebe Love na best supporting. Yung tataas.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa SM Mega Mall para sa premiere ng moving Imagine You and Me ng phenomenal love team, Alden Richards and Miss Maine Mendoza. Maya-maya makikita na natin yung mga stars ng movie na dadaan sa red carpet. Lahat ng fans nila sobrang excited na para mapanood ang movie at kami din naman sa Mix ay excited na rin mapanood ang Imagine You and Me.
All my life I was seeking for someone I can truly call my own. Then you arrived all of a sudden. Without a warning, it was you that I saw. Without a warning, it was you who came. You came right when I didn't know what to say. It would be nice to have you in my life. Would there be a chance for you to give it a try? It would be the best day of our lives. Imagine you and me.
Dati may pikit yung mga mata mo.
Bakit?
Sige na, pikit mo. Tapos mag-imagine ka. Sino bang naisip mong kasama mo?
Sino ba gusto mong imagine ko?
Ako.
You could have been lost, but here you're safe. Don't you ever go astray. What I would give.
Ayan guys, sobrang nag-cheer ang lahat ng #1 dahil sobrang excited ang lahat para sa Imagine You and Me. Nakakatapos lang ng premiere night. Grabe yung kilig. Parang nanalo ang Pinas sa FIBA. Nanalo si Manny Pacquiao. Ganon ang tala ng lahat. Congratulations sa buong cast. As you can see, naghihintay lahat. Sobrang kilig. Sobrang ganda ng film. You guys should watch it. Ay, nandun nga kami ng premiere night and I must say, sobrang feel-good talaga ng movie. Parang refreshing after you watch it. It's a different take on love and may mga scenes talaga na magugulat ka na mangyayari sa movie. Hindi mo ine-expect.
Oh, walang spoiler!
Oh, hindi na nga. Sinasabi ko lang, it's a good not expecting it and then it happens. Parang falling in love. Thank you so much to APT Entertainment for allowing us to drop by the BlogCon and the premiere night and to interview Alden Richards and Maine Mendoza.
Imagine You and Me is still showing in cinemas nationwide. Now, don't go anywhere. Mixed Movie Date will be right back.
Our captains will come for us. Mercy will be the last.